Okay, so as everybody will remember, I built this, maybe not everybody, but I built this tiny house by myself, put it on a trailer frame, mobile home trailer frame. As a matter of fact, you can still see some of it exposed here. And I don't know, maybe you can see it. Nah, I don't know. Yeah, right here. There's still trailer frame there. It's almost 200 square feet, 12 by 16 feet. And then we put the porch on. We bought most of this material secondhand or used, either one. For example, all the OSB we bought secondhand. Some guy had in his barn. He was going to build a house and just never got around to it. The doors and the windows were all used. You know, the trolls back then just knew this place was going to fall apart. And really, hardly anything has happened. The only thing significant that has happened was moisture started getting into the attic. Now, we planned on making the attic into a loft after we moved in. We just never did. So we got moisture there. So I had to put some vents up there just to keep it from getting moisture and mold. I also drilled some holes through there and put screen over it. So that's the only thing really that's happened since we bought this place. We have a window that cracked because we got down to negative, I don't know, -6 or so, and one of the windows cracked. But it's a 2-pane window, so it wasn't like it was really serious. And other than that, now this door was interesting to put in. I did this all by myself. Carolyn only helped raise the north wall and build the little plastic shower. That's the only thing she helped with. Everything else I did myself. So it was really fun watching me trying to get the door in. I had the ladder laying here on the frame, on the metal frame, and then I slid it up, and then I just kind of eased it into place. Of course, the door frame was there, the whole thing was there. So you may see that for some reason the door jamb, whatever you call that, the tongue and groove has separated and it's breaking, and it's starting to let the glass slide out. So I don't want to replace this door, so I'm going to try to fix it, and we'll see what we can do here. I think I got a plan. I'm gonna have to use some nail bracing metal, what do they call it, mending plates. I bought those today at Walmart. Of course, I'm not sure I like the screws, so I bought some extra long screws. I don't want to drill through or screw through the door. So, but I got to get this to close up. Now, my original plan was to drill a little hole and then run a 6-inch screw into here and just draw it all together. But I couldn't find any 6-inch screws. And with this being Sunday, the little hardware store isn't open. I'm sure they would have it. And I didn't want to drive another 40 miles to Home Depot and Lowe's. So we're going to try to make this work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put a strap around this, a cargo strap. And we'll see how that works. I want to be careful that I don't break the glass while I'm doing this. Trying to save the glass. Okay, that pulled it right back. So that worked. that pulled it right back into place. So now we'll put that mending thing there and see what happens. Let's give this a try. The drill bit on this is not the best in the world. Maybe I'll try the original screws that came with the package, see what happens there. Yeah, this drill bit's pretty bad. I think this screw might be messed up. Yep. I'm going to try to back this out, see if I have any luck at it. And put it, yeah, that works. It'll be a little bit, but it'll work. Might be enough. Let's see if that was enough to get the screwdriver to work it. Nope. Finally figured out a way to make this work. Okay, I'm on the inside now. I think I'm going to try to do this one a little bit different. I'm going to try to start with a pilot hole. That helped a bit. Okay, so I'm going to take the strap off. It's pretty loose now. Okay, so the door shuts again. So I think that fixed it. Yeah, that's quite nice. It's held the spot quite nicely. I know it's a little ugly, but sure is better than buying a new door. So the window's back in its track. Everything looks good. So I think that's all I'm going to do for the day. This is still Memorial Day weekend. I like to have some time off. So if you'll click this next box, it'll take you to a video on my other channel. So if I can inspire you to build it yourself, so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.